Hi Stampers, it's super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. These are the kits that I will be sharing during the June 26, 2021 One-of-a-Kind Craft Along. So my kits feature pattern papers, some embellishments, punch shapes, and some cardstock. That's the first kit, the Night of Navy kit. And then the Cinnamon Cider kit has got the pattern paper, some embellishments, and the ribbon as well. So I use the Elegantly Said stamp set to complete my kits. They are red rubber. And then also use the Night of Navy ink pad. So purchase these two items separately from my blog at superawesomestamper.com to complete your kits, or use some stamps and ink pads in your stash to complete your kits. That will work just as well. Also, you'll have to add your own adhesive. So I use the Stampin' Seal, some mini dimensionals, and my liquid glue. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail or the One-of-a-Kind icon, or look for the photo of my kits and click on it and you'll get all the details for ordering. Thanks for stamping with me. Bye.